Hello, what is your name?
Okay, my name is Helen Rose Tugade. 22 years old. I was born on September 8, 1991 from Quezon City, Ilocos Sur. Single and a college graduate. Um, took a Bachelor of Secondary Education majoring in English at Aber State Institute of Sciences and Technology.
Yes.
When I was in college, to pursue my dreams, I've worked as a working student uh, with one family, with three members of family, one children. Uh, I take care that 9-year-old children, and as well as I do also household chores like cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, washing the dishes, and taking care of the child. I'm also tutoring their children because I was a graduate of a teacher.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.